All right, welcome back. Mazda Crystal Lake. We are taking this base CX-30. Now, this is a great value. This is only $26,000, but we're trading this to get a Premium Plus Platinum Quartz 2025 CX-5 for another guest. So let's get these plates off here and save the dealership some money. So thanks to Nemo at Boucher Mazda in Racine, Wisconsin for helping us out with this and making another happy Mazda customer. This will be a nice ride, so let's get it warmed up. And thanks for joining us on this adventure and road trip to Racine, Wisconsin. Let's get it out there. Check out this lowered CX-5. That looks awesome. Nice. If you can see, we're 0 degrees today with the wind chill. It's below 0. Not a big deal. We're used to that in Chicago. But as always, let's get these machines to their respective locations safely and uneventful. So I'm getting everything dialed in for our departure, but here's what we're driving. We're driving a base S CX-30, and so this has got cloth interior. It's got the smaller diameter wheels, the clear glass throughout, whereas you would on an upper trim you would have privacy glass in the back, but this has still got the comfortable seats even though they're cloth seats. Height adjustable as well. You do have all your safety equipment standard as well as your all-wheel drive, the amazing iActive all-wheel drive from Mazda. So this is running $26,000 with a owner loyalty rebate. They're up to $750 off on this month for CX-30, so that's cool. And it's just a great riding car. Awesome interior, nice and quiet, fit and finish, and everything soft touch is nice. So that's what we're driving to get a CX-5, as we said before. So let me dial everything in here and get some tunes going. We'll head up north. Let's hit the road. Reset the average for miles per gallon. We'll see how we do on this trip. Passing through McHenry. This is 120 in Chapel Hill Road. Used to work down the street at Extreme Jeep back when I first got in the car business selling cars. That was cool. And just like that, we're in Wisconsin. So up ahead is going to be Stage Stop. So there it is. My wife's family showed me how cool that place is, so I highly recommend it if you get the chance to go. Just over the border of Illinois.
Continue for 10.
So this journey again has us picking up someone's reward for themselves, as in the CX-5 Premium Plus. They are a current driver of a CX-5, so they are getting an owner loyalty rebate, which is awesome. And then this is something that they're preparing to have during retirement. So Premium Plus giving you all those features that are not standard in your normal CX-5, but might be a pleasure to have down the road as you get into retirement. So again, just an awesome occasion to be a part of and host with Mazda and the brand experience for the new owner. So looking forward to delivery with this client. So 36 mile per gallon average so far. I've been pretty light on the throttle, but I do have the heat going. As you can see, we are 13 below 0. Nice. Alright, Bristol, Wisconsin passing through. That's where passing through Kenosha. I always find this funny. There's a bong recreation area. It's hilarious. Alright, we're about a 5-minute drive away from our destination. Let's take the exit to destination. Boucher Mazda, Racine, Wisconsin. Nice little facility. Alright, got what we came for. Premium Plus 2025 CX-5 and Platinum Quartz. Nice. All right, here is one dealer trade situation that is not great. It is bone dry, it's empty. So I gotta find the nearest gas station. With it being this cold, I hope I have luck on my side. So hopefully there's something really close by. Looks like I need to get to Durand Avenue. Here goes nothing. Not exactly the fun I was looking for today, but hopefully the Skyactiv chassis will get me there safely and we can put fuel in it. Alright, I see the promised land right there. Come on, baby. Come on, Mazda Skyactiv power. Sweet.
Your destination.
This is gonna be cold. Mazda also makes this nice little shelf to hang the gas cap in so it doesn't dangle on the paint. I always point that out. $2.89 for gas here. That's awesome. Alright, we got some fuel on. Let's kick some heat now. And now we got our miles per hour here. Alright, I'm gonna get situated, adjust the mirrors and seats to where I like them for the drive. We'll pick a new soundtrack and then hit the road. Thanks for joining me. I'm glad we made it. Alright, let's reset this trip and get the readout on the miles per gallon on the way back. So I guess I'll stop for a minute and get my bearings straight after all that. But if you haven't been to the Mars Cheese Castle, here we go. It's a castle. Alright, nothing too exciting in there. I could have got some new Glarus beer, or Spotted Cow or whatever, but I wouldn't want that spilling in here. That would be terrible, right? So let's hit the road. And now you've been to Mars Cheese Castle. So this is also near Bristol, Wisconsin, where they host the Renaissance Fair. And if you haven't been to Kenosha, that's a great town. They've got nice museums, art galleries, and restaurants. Good time right by the lake too. Alright, back in Illinois, and the cost of living goes up just like that. Six Flags right there. Haven't been there since I was a kid. Probably still not tall enough for the rides. That's okay. Now we're off the highway at slower speeds, which is great. I do want to say that there's no real heavy recommended braking period for these new Mazdas. What they do probably suggest in the owner's manual, if you look in there, you don't want to use the cruise control for at least the first 1,000 miles, so that way it gets to know a varying of speeds and not just dead pegged for a long time on a new engine. That wouldn't be a good case. Definitely a nice day for a drive though. Just want to point out too that if you're traveling on the highway and you're trying to get good gas mileage, depending on the speeds that are required or the speed limit, like doing 70 or 75 on the highway, it's hard to stay under 2,000 RPMs doing that with most cars. Now our new CX-90 and CX-70 can do it, cruise at 70, under 2,000 RPMs. That under 2,000 RPMs means you're going to get a better fuel economy, of course. So just food for thought. Alright, probably just about 15 minutes from home. This is a town called Wakanda. CX-5, again, just a brilliant chassis. Comfort, quiet, efficient, safe. Now there's talk, there's been spy photos out of the new CX-5, or what will be. Still the question is though, will they call it the CX-5 or will they give it one of the other nameplates that they've patented? Will it be the CX-40 or something like that? I don't know. Let me know in the comments if you think. All right, well, that's it for this adventure. I hope you had a good time with me. I visited the Mars Cheese Castle. You got to see me freak out and run on empty. But I'm gonna leave you here at this adventure, and I'll pick up back with you when we got this all dressed up and ready for departure and a pre-delivery inspection. So thanks a lot for tagging along. Have a great day. Safe travels to you and your family. Before I forget, we did average 28.3 miles per gallon on the way back. That's with the heat on a cold day and some highway speeds, so not bad at all. All-wheel drive too.